Hello, everybody, and welcome to Winter 24, English 110, Composition and Reading. This is me, Kevin. It's nice to have you in the course. I'm going to go over this Getting Started module for you, get you started. Obviously, that's why it's called Getting Started. So here is the home. I'm sure you're all familiar with these. I'll go over these a little later in a different video, but right now, let's go to modules. And I have two of them open right now. So the first one here is textbooks, questions, concerns, and student lounge. So here, the textbooks, if you click here, the novel and the textbook we're using are here. You do not need to buy a book. However, there is a Townsend Press code that you will buy, and it's $15. But I'll show you that, and that'll be due later, but I'll show you that in the week 1 video. Concerns, you can reach me through here. I don't check this a lot. However, Pronto's faster, email me because I get a ding on my phone and I'll get right back to you. If you notice, there are two sections of this course in one. For FERPA reasons, I have to have them separated. So that's why you see two courses here, two sections of the same course. So again, you can come here. I don't check it much. And then here, if you just have a question for one of your fellow students, you can come here. Or again, I think Pronto works the best. So that is that for here to keep in contact with you, yourselves, the students, other students. So here's the Getting Started module. It's going to start from January 2nd to January 7th. And the week 1 module, which I'll open later, is going to be due at the same time. So the Getting Started module is the overview video, which you're watching right now. And then here's the Canvas class components. It'll look over here, the links and stuff, if you're not familiar with them. The introduction to the course, you can read over that if you want. And then here, how to contact me, everything you need, the syllabus, everything here, goals, assignments and grading overview. This is what you'll this is all on the syllabus, but I kind of break it out too so you can see it more easily. You can locate it more quickly. Townsend Press, that's our learning component. First essay, research paper, final essay. There are only 3 essays, and then you have grammar quizzes, discussion boards, and the final exam. So you can look over that on your own. So all this information is basically here for you. Go through it, all of it, okay? And here, academic honesty, I'm gonna have a whole thing on using AI. If I see you using it, we do have an AI detector when you submit your essays. I'm just gonna give you a 0. I'm here to help you. You don't need to cheat. Just ask me any question. I'm here to help you become a better writer. So use me. Don't cheat. Well, what's the point? Why be in college if you're going to cheat? Think of all those students who can't go to college and who would love the opportunity. But anyway, blah, blah, blah. I know I sound like your father. All right, and then here, the Getting Started module, there are 3 quizzes that you have to complete. The syllabus quiz, if you click on here, I embed all of the information within each. So here I put the syllabus again. If I were you, I'd open up the syllabus, open up the quiz questions. It's not timed. Toggle back and forth between them. Okay. And then here is, let me go back down, sorry. Readiness quiz, again, everything you need is embedded. The Getting Started orientation quiz, everything you need is embedded. Again, open these questions and then go back to where you need to find the answers for these. Here, the discussion board, this is to introduce yourself. It's the icebreaker, and I can't spell Thursday, I'll correct that. But on here, let's go here. So by Thursday, January 4th, by 11:59 p.m., you'll need to come in here and introduce yourself to the course. You'll click reply. Hi, my name is Kevin. I give you an actual example of what I've done. I'll show that to you in a second. And then I want you to put in 2 truths and 1 lie. I think it's a great way to get the ball rolling. So this has to be done by January 4th, that Thursday. So Friday when I come in, and if I don't see that you've done this, I am assuming that you don't want to be in the course. And my wait list to get in this course is very long. So I'll drop you and I'll add the people who are on the wait list. And here, again, if you're like, what does he want? Here's an example of how I would complete it. Hello, my name is Kevin, blah, blah, blah. Here's my 2 truths and a lie. Okay, and then nice to meet you. And then you'll just type this into the discussion board post that I just showed you. And again, this is due Thursday, January 4th by 11:59 p.m. Okay, great. And you will have read this, but you won't see anybody else's responses until you click reply. So this way it's later on, I don't want people reading other people's responses and then formulating their own. To me, that's cheating. So here, again, you will not see replies are only visible to those who have posted. Click reply. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the class. My major is blah, blah, blah. And give you 2 truths and 1 lie. And then you're finished with the Getting Started module. Let me just go over it one more time. So the Getting Started module is from January 2nd to January 7th. But look here. The dates are these. I'm giving you 2 weeks to complete these. The only thing you really need to concentrate on for this Thursday is the Introduce Yourself. It is your ticket in the course. If you don't do it on Friday, I'll drop you. So no excuses whatsoever. I have a lot of people on the waiting list. All right, so again, you have the 3 quizzes for the Getting Started module. They're due January 14th. And the Introduce Yourself, the ticket to the course saying, hey, Kevin, I'm staying, is due by Thursday, January 4th. And the week 1 module I will open up, and the week 1 module will have the same dates as the Getting Started module. And remember, there are only 5 weeks in this course, so you guys are going to move very, very quickly. And don't get overwhelmed, because the week 1, there's a lot of work, a lot of setting the table, if you will, before we get to actually jumping into doing the essays. All right, everybody, welcome to the course. If you have any questions, use Pronto or email me. Those are the 2 best ways. Thank you. Take care. Bye.